What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We are headed to a car meet right now, but first we got to get some E85 because we're already running low. So there's like one gas station near me, but the gas station has been under construction for like the past 2 months. So ever since I got tuned on E85, I have not been able to get fuel at that gas station. And I recently noticed the other day when I was driving by, there's another gas station that sells some E85, but I'm gonna go check it out and see if it's for sure. If they do, then we're headed to a car meet. And if there's no corn juice right there, then we might not be going to the car meet. All right guys, so yeah, we were able to find some E85. This is like a little hidden gem for, you know, car people, because that other gas station's been closed for quite a while. And I was recently just driving by the other day and it said 5. So we're in luck. Well, we caught up to the R33, guys. I don't know how the hell we're gonna get out of here. We made it to the meet, and there's a few cars that are already taking off, but there's still like a bunch of people here. Brought Lily. That's a sweet ass color on this Evo. Are you dancing? Yes. This makes me miss my EF. So clean. We got some Hot Wheels right here. This is the gas station that I was talking about. It used to be a 76, but now it looks like they're turning it into like Stars and Stripes or something like that. And the E85 pump was like right over here. So yeah, I never got to fill up at this gas pump. Once I found out that they started selling E85 here, I was like, hell yeah, I'm gonna get my car on E85, put my bigger injectors, get it tuned, and this is what happens. It gets under construction. If you guys are located near my area, you know exactly what gas station I'm talking about. Good thing we found another gas station where we can get E85. I wanted to show you guys that the homie Paul drew this for me, and this thing came out sick, man. Like, I sent him one of my Instagram pictures and he drew this for me, hand drawn. And I said, hey, I want to make this into a t-shirt. So he went ahead and made a different sketch, a lot thicker lines. That way the machine or the cutter can actually cut it out and we can do something, maybe a t-shirt. I don't know, would be pretty sick. What do you guys think? I apologize if it's a short video. I really haven't had much content to film, and work has been busy. I've been busy, but I am trying to get out there. We do have a sad video coming for the Evo that should be posted within the next few weeks. Something actually kind of dangerous is happening with the Evo, so I'll explain that a little bit more when the time comes. At this moment, I don't currently have the Evo when this video is up, but should be home pretty soon. Nothing too major. The car's been running perfectly fine. Tune is fine. And yeah, like always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys next Friday.